Welcome back to geometry. We want to actually take a little bit more of a look at reflections. There's a couple comments that I forgot to make for our last video. So this one should be really short. So let's take a look at our notes a moment. And what I want to talk about is finding a line of reflection. And something that we mentioned in the previous video is that the distance from a point to the line of reflection is the same as the distance from the image to the line of reflection. So that's what we want to say right here. In a reflection, a point and its image are equidistant from the line of reflection. And that gives us a way to find lines of reflection. So to find a line of reflection, all we have to do is sketch 2 point image segments. Find the midpoints of those segments, and then draw the line through those 2 midpoints. Now, the closer they are together, the less accurate we are. The best way to do this is to actually find two point image segments that are as far away from each other as possible. So we can obtain the most accurate line if the midpoints are not too close together. So of course, to do this well, you would want a straight edge. So you would want to construct 2 point image segments. So for these 2 sets of images here, these 2 sets of figures, we want to find the line of reflection. So I'm going to use this image point segment and this image point segment, because they're about as far away from each other as I can get. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the midpoints, right? I would have to use a compass to find the midpoints, but it appears to be there, and it appears to be there. Once I have that, I can go ahead and draw the line that passes through both of those points, and that would give me the line of reflection. And that appears to be about right. So I can do the same thing for these images as well. So let's see here again. Let's draw a line and let's grab the point image segments. So again, finding 2 that are as far away from each other as possible. We have those. And then we also have, we want to find the midpoints then. So midpoint is about there, midpoint is about there. Again, you can use a compass to find exact midpoints, which is exactly what you should do in your homework. And then once we have that, we can go ahead and create the line of reflection, which passes through the midpoints. Excellent. So again, there we go. There's the line of reflection. And that's all that I wanted to add to the discussion on reflections. So we'll call that good for now, and we'll get together one more time for a discussion on glide reflections. See you guys soon.